Hello, this is Trudy with True and Healing Travel, and today I'm in the beautiful Palma de Mallorca on an island in the Mediterranean in Spain, and I'm going to be taking you on an old town walking tour, and that's going to include that incredible Baroque church behind me and the palace next door. And so come along and join me and see why this is a special destination and why you should come visit. Wow, and there's the palace next door. Take steps on up. All right, I think I'm almost to the top of the terrace of the cathedral. Best part, these arches you walk through here. On the way to the Turkish baths is the Museum of Mallorca, and I am not going to go inside to the Turkish baths. At the art museum right next to the cathedral and the palace, and I highly recommend it. There is sculptures featuring Rodin, and then Salvador Dali, lots of paintings of his, a whole room showcasing his work. So definitely I would highly recommend this art museum. Art gallery, and I'm really excited. I love the work of Joan Miro, who was a painter, sculptor, and ceramicist in the 20th century, and he's known for being his artwork being surrealism, also fauvism, and expressionism. Anyway, I'm very happy to be here. Of course, he's from Spain, Barcelona, and so he did have a gallery here as well. So I'm very excited. So come along and let's go check out the Joan Miro Gallery. So this evidently is work that was done in the last 10 years of his life. I'm about ready to go up into the Bellver Castle, and it is one of the few circular castles in Europe. It is a Gothic, and it was created for royalty back in the 1400s. Anyway, and it's got incredible views because it's up on the hill. So here we go. You can see there's the circular, and let's go. And we can see some actually walking around this whole circular court. The perimeter is the museum, and it's quite fascinating. Alright, so I'm here for the panoramic views on top of the castle, and it's incredible, and also just a reminder that this whole hill that it's on is a pine forest.
Jeszcze go widzę.